How to check a message seen time in Messenger. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, you need to make sure these settings are turned on. Open Messenger. Click on three lines at the bottom right corner of your screen, which is Menu. Then click on Settings in here. In Settings, click on Active Status. Then make sure this is turned on. After that, go back and scroll down in Settings. You will find Privacy and Safety. Click on Privacy and Safety and then scroll down, search for Read Receipts and click on it. Make sure this is also turned on. After you have done that, go back to your chat section and open the chat. Simply click on the person and at the bottom you will find Seen option in this way. This was seen just now, so it is showing seen, but if it has took some time, it will show you seen 1 minute ago or 5 minutes ago. And this is how to check a message seen time in Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.